Hello guys, it's me Yuki. Quick unboxing and review lang po ulit tayo guys. This is the Brent Low sneaker from a local Filipino brand called The 100%, wherein nag-collaborate sila with Master Clothing, which is another local brand as well.
Damn!
So ito na guys, quick 360 view muna tayo. You can check their official Shopee account link sa description and comment. Although this version is currently out of stock and medyo late ko na na-post yung video, pero you can check as well yung iba pa nilang cool designs. Okay, let's check yung sa vamp area. As you can see, stars yung design ng butas or holes nito, which is kinda cute. Then meron siyang removable metallic emblem sa shoelace. Then yung tongue part naman ay malinis yung embroidered logo design. May small stars design din yung outsole nito, which is a nice detail, although di lang siya mapapansin kung malayo. Okay, dito naman tayo sa lower part ng sole. Well, you can see maganda din naman yung design niya. So itong sa akin ay blue na parang wet look or candy coated yung design, kaya shiny siya at eye-catchy. The other colors available for this version ay black and red. Honestly, ang una kong naisip sa sapatos na to ay yung Bape sneaker since kahawig siya ng design. M lang yung sa logo part that stands for Master, nakakulab nila. Tapos lightning logo naman yung sa mga standard shoes nila. Stitching wise guys, all goods naman. Malinis siya just like the imported brands na nakasanayan natin. At nakita nyo naman kanina buong paikot ng sole yung nakastitch or nakatahi, so I think matibay naman to. Sa shoelaces naman, plain white lang naman although may metal sa dulo. But if you look closer, may logo din na nakaprint dito. Okay din ito since madali isuot. There are also other freebies na kasama dito like sticker and another extra 2 pairs of shoelaces. So all in all, tatlo ang shoelaces which is okay na okay. Hindi tinipid sa freebies. Upon wearing, okay naman, komportable isuot just like yung mga imported brands. Overall guys, maganda at sulit itong sneaker na to. Budget friendly lalo na pag nakita ninyo yung mga price nito doon sa Shopee account nila. And at the same time, maganda ang build quality. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please subscribe po sa aking maliit na channel at pwede nyo rin pong i-check ang aking playlist for other review videos.